Hey, Robert Farrell here. If you're serious, and I mean serious, about not to waste your time and earn the right way for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the Christmas holidays, let me share with you something. I've been in the online trenches since 1995, 23 years. Now, one thing you'll notice about me, I'm not a guru, an expert, the secret sauce, all this bullshit nonsense that you probably heard on the internet. And you notice I'm not shooting in front of a Ferrari or a yacht and all that nonsense. It's not about what I do. It's what you can do with my tools, my training, and my system. So here's how it works. If you want to be successful with online marketing, affiliate marketing in particular, then rule number one, stop selling. That's the mistake you're making. I can assure you most of you are going on the Facebook groups and posting your hawking your wares or your goods. That's not how it works. In fact, you realize that Facebook doesn't want you selling to their customers. Neither does Google, for that matter. They want you to engage them. A quality, positive user experience. That's how you're going to get a higher rating. That's how you're going to build traffic. So watch this. Look at my site here for a second. So this is a site. I own over 14,000 domain names. In fact, let me turn the camera back on for a second because it's very important I share this with you. First of all, I walk the walk and I talk the talk. Okay, I have 609 websites I personally build myself. Okay, each website makes a minimum of $27.69 a day. Do the math on that. Okay, I'm a lazy guy. I don't want to work 40 hours, 50 hours a week. I work 6 hours a week. Okay, I enjoy my time. I cook my girlfriend breakfast in the morning. I travel. I play the guitar. Okay, so this is not snake oil. Get rich quick. If you're tired of all the bullshit nonsense, one thing I guarantee I won't do, I won't ask for your email address. I don't care about your email address. I'm not going to put you into some bullshit waste of time webinar. You know, it's funny. I watched one the other day in the background. I was doing some work. And, it's the same bullshit nonsense. It's the big buildup. It's usually about 60 minutes to 90 minutes long. And it's the big buildup. Free value, blah, blah, blah. And then it's like value, $2,700, 50. I saw this one thing the other day, $67,000 value, but today only for $997. And it's just bullshit. Don't believe that. So let me share with you how to work smart. You work smart by not selling, by offering value. So here's a good example of that. Again, here is my Black Friday marketing website. Now, if you go through this, step by step, I have a lot of cool tools. But here's one thing you're not going to get from anybody else. I own over 14,000 domain names. Yes, you heard me right. 14,000 domain names. Keyword-rich domain names you'll have access to. I have turnkey websites that you can build with the point and the click of a mouse. But here's what you're not paying attention to, okay, which is very important. Okay, if you're let's say you're in the fitness business and you want to sell fitness equipment, do you think for a second if you post a fitness offer on your Facebook page, people are going to pay attention to that? No, probably not, because it's been done before. But here's where you work smart. You post a fitness workout routine, a fitness review, a fitness how-to. Those are the things that sell. Those are the people that engage people. Here's another example. Let's say that you want to sell coffee. You're an Amazon affiliate. Now, I'm just going to punch it right between the eyes with this one, okay? Yes, we all want to sell the iPhone and the big screen TV and the expensive products, et cetera, et cetera. That's not practical. Is it possible? Certainly it's possible. I do it all the time. But here's what you're not thinking about, okay? What do most people search for on the web? And don't say that. That's not what I'm talking about. They search for news stories. And what do most people consume on the web when they buy something? Coffee, tea, snacks, products. So let me share something with you that you're not thinking about, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. In fact, I don't care if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time. Many of you are not making money because you're trying to sell. So if you want to sell coffee, which is a great, easy thing to do, are you going to post a coffee ad on your Facebook page or your social media page or Insta? No, that's not what you do. You post a coffee recipe and then you engage people with, hey, do you have your favorite recipe? I've tried this recipe. What do you think? That's how you engage people with content. Where do you get this content? You curate it from YouTube, okay? Name a topic, YouTube has it. So this is what you're not thinking about. So let me share this with you, okay? So I've curated these different niche marketing websites. I have over 54, but right now I have a special Black Friday. Now, I'm not going to talk about price. It's not what this video is about. This video is not about selling. It's to enlighten you to how to work smart. So I just want to share with you some of the experiences here. So as an example, here is a Think Fitness website. And this website was built in a matter of clicks. You put in your own content, you curate things from Amazon or whatever you're doing, and you're on your way. Okay, now this might load up a little slow because I'm talking to you at the same time. So look at this beautiful website. Where can you find a beautiful website like this? Okay, I click right here, I go into the website itself. Now, here's where you're really going to earn money. If you market and promote my websites, of course, you're going to make a lot more money. Okay, but I don't want to go there. So look at this site. What about this site is not engaging? Now, am I selling anything? No, I'm offering value, 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 value. And these sites look good on mobile as well. Okay, let's look at another site. Okay, this is a site called Best Deals Network. Okay, when's the last time you've seen a good-looking website like this? Okay, so wait, this loads up here for a second. That is a very great-looking website. Okay, you're not going to find it anyplace else. In fact, let me share something with you. Again, I've been doing this since 1995 online. Again, do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. I'm constantly learning new and better ways to earn online by hashtag working smart. Most people do not work smart. They work against themselves. You know, it's a funny story. I had a friend from high school's friend who contacted me because she knows I do affiliate marketing. She says, oh, I'm not looking to get rich. I just want to make like $500 a month. And I went like, yeah, that's possible. But she really thought, because she has an Amazon account, she thought she was good, because she's a mom, of course, and she's going to target other moms. Great, good demographic, can't fault her for that. But she was foolish enough to think that she can just post a couple of things on her Facebook page and she was going to make $500 a month. Well, it's not that easy to make $500 a month. But if you know what you're doing, if you work smart, it can be done. So let me hide the camera again for a second. So look at this. I go into this website. And again, it's packed with great content. Okay, kitchen gadgets, recipes, shopping hauls. Those are the things that are going to drive traffic to your site. And once they drive traffic, then you can engage them. And that is working smart. I can assure you, most people are not working smart. So let's get back in here for a second. Okay, so you'll get a kick out of this. Here's my toy shopping network. So I just basically picked different niches. Okay, now this is a great little site. It's got a cute little kid. Now, where do I get my video from? And I have privacy policies and everything else, so I keep you out of trouble with that stuff. So I'm going to say, okay, yes. Now, I basically get my video for the front end, the marketing end of it. Now, unfortunately, Video Blocks does not have an affiliate program. So I would highly suggest that you sign up for a Video Blocks account because they have some great content for video as far as engaging people from the front end. Now, once you get into the site, then you can curate. All my sites are based on WordPress. Okay, so you can curate tons and tons of content, and everything is done for you. Now, I just want to be very candid with you. Turnkey websites get a bad rap. Well, it's not, of course, you don't want your site to look like everybody else's site, but that's a starting point. And then you do your diligence, and then you basically put in some, write some articles yourself or hire somebody to write articles. But this is not rocket science. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. So if you're serious about earning and learning the right way for the holiday season, I have the solution for you. Now, I just want to be very clear. I make absolutely no, 100% no, carbon stone no, if you're not sure, no, guarantees of anything. Okay, I provide simply opportunity. And for those of you foolish enough to think that you can't make money with affiliate marketing, then please tell that to Mr. Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world. How do you think Amazon got as big as it did? It did through affiliate marketing. 42% of Amazon's income, or Jeff Bezos' income, comes from affiliate marketing. But here's something you're not going to like. And again, I just want to shoot from the hip and be very honest with you. Amazon has a little over 2 million affiliates. Now, here's the part you're not going to like. Only 4% of those people actually make any kind of real money, meaning 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. Yes, there's people in affiliate marketing, Amazon making $1 million a month. I personally don't, and nor do I want to work that hard. Nor would I know what to do with that. I do very well, by the way. So what I'm trying to share with you, the reason that most people fail isn't because it's a scam, it doesn't work. Of course it works. But most people just give up. Oh, I didn't make $1,000 next week, so this isn't going to work for me. Or most people, borrow money from their girlfriends to buy some $200 piece of software that's going to turn the computer to a cash register, and they find out that that's bullshit too. So part of the reason most people fail is because they just give up and they don't use the right tools, they don't have the right training, and they don't have the right opportunity. I started out this video by saying, quite frankly, stop selling. Stop selling. Selling is not going to work, especially on a platform like Facebook, because everybody and their mother does. Oh, buy this, buy that, inbox me, ask me how. It's all nonsense. It's all bullshit. I can assure you that most of the people on these Facebook pages that are saying, how to do this, and it's not, they're making money off of selling you their bullshit program. They're not actually making money off their program themselves, by the way. Okay, but they won't even listen to anything. What I get a big kick out of, and I've made the mistake too of posting some stuff there, informational, non-salesy stuff. I get basically no response from that, right? But the guy that goes, hey, let me show you how to, if you send me $20, I'll show you how to turn that into $1,000 within 30 days. If you believe that, then you're a sucker, you're a fool, and that's your problem. So in closing here, what have we learned from Robert today? Okay, Robert says work smart, stop selling. Robert has the experience to help you. Now, Robert, me, wants to be your working smart coach. I want to keep you out of trouble. I want to help you. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have the budget to buy my system, I shouldn't even say the word system. It's not a system. It's something I've curated. It's curated websites with domain names and hosting and everything you need. Great, I get that. Because the average fee for that is definitely the other side of $500. In fact, I'll be very candid with you. If you look at I'll put a link. I'm basically, this entire package is $1,000. Okay. Now, if you're not willing, if you don't have the budget for $1,000, I get that. I understand that. Then don't do it. But here's what you should consider. Okay. Let's say that you're even on the fence about affiliate marketing, and let's say that you do have the $1,000 to spend. Don't spend $1,000. Don't spend $500. Don't spend $200 if your heart's not into it. What do I mean? Here's what I would offer you. I will give you, for much, much less than $100, I will give you A to Z training of exactly how I do it. But training can be found any place, but you can't find me with my experience and my integrity and my working smart attitude. But here's something you'll get that you're not going to get from any training program out there, I can assure you. For an extra dollar, $1 US, I will give you your own website, turnkey website, with all the bells and whistles you'd find on any of these websites. Domain names for $1, for a year. You can have the site for a year. You can earn off of it. You can put your Amazon affiliate program in there. Where can you get that program? So what I'm sharing with you, if you're on the fence, I don't care if you can afford my program. If you're not sure about doing this, do not sign up. Sign up for my training program. It's definitely the other side of $100. It's much, much less than $100. I'm not going to mention the price. And for an extra buck, $1, you will get a turnkey website that you can kick the tires and experience everything that you would if you paid $900 or $1,000 for this system here. It's the same system. It's working smart. And here's another thing I'll offer you. If you decide to upgrade within 30 days, now keep in mind Black Friday is coming up, so the clock's ticking on that one. But if you do decide to upgrade in the next 30 days after you sign up for my just training program and $1 website, I will credit exactly what you paid towards any bundle or package that I'm offering. So again, if you're serious about doing this the right way and you're tired of the snake oil and the gurus and the mastermind and the webinars and all the bullshit that's out there. There are a few good guys out there. I don't want to mention their names, but there's a handful of people out there that do have the integrity. Most of them don't. They basically want to sell you into their bullshit system, and that's really how they're making money. They're not making money with their own system. They're making money selling you their bullshit. So thanks again for being here. If you have any questions, I am here to help you. For selfish reasons, by the way.